In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block a customer on Shopify. This is really useful if you're dealing with problem buyers, fraud attempts, or repeat chargebacks, and you want to prevent those orders from going through at checkout. We'll be using a Shopify app called Block It, and I'll walk you through everything from installing it to creating a rule that stops specific customers from completing checkout. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the page, look for the main search bar. Click into that search field, and from the drop-down options that appear, click on Apps. In the search field, type Block It and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for Block It Checkout Validation. Go ahead and install this app, then follow the on-screen prompts to complete the installation. Just accept the permissions and continue until the app finishes setting up and opens. Once Block It is installed, you'll be taken to the Block It dashboard. In the top right area of the dashboard, you'll see a card labeled App Status. Make sure the app status is enabled. If it's turned off, your rules won't run, so this step is important. Below the App Status card, you'll see a button that says Create Validation Rules. Click that button. You'll be presented with 3 rule set options. For this tutorial, choose Rule Set 2. This set is designed for the kind of checkout blocking we want to do. Now you're in the rule details section. Give your rule a clear name and a short internal description so you'll remember what it does later, such as blocking a specific email or domain. Under the section that says trigger this rule when the customer is, choose the options for landing on the checkout page from the cart and/or completing checkout. This ensures the rule runs at the right time. On the status card beside rule details, set the status to active so the rule is actually applied. Next, scroll to the Validation Tier 1 card. Enter a rule tier title for internal use. Under Validation Customization Rules, you'll choose whether all conditions must be true or if any one condition is enough. If you're blocking a specific email, a domain, or several risky signals, choose Any below, so any matching condition will block the customer. Select the rule type and choose email address. Then select the rule condition. If you're blocking one specific email, choose equals and type that exact email into the text field. If you're blocking a whole domain, choose contains and enter just the domain, like example.com. This is helpful if someone keeps creating new email addresses with the same domain, because any email that contains that domain will be blocked. Next, add a global error message. This is what the customer will see if they're blocked. For example, you can use, "We're unable to process your order at this time. Please contact support if you believe this is an error." Keep it professional and neutral so genuine customers who are blocked by mistake know what to do. For the final action, make sure you select Block Customer from completing checkout. This tells Block It to stop the order instead of just showing a warning. When everything looks good and you've double-checked your email or domain entries, go to the top right of the screen and click Create. That saves and activates your rule. And that's it. You've now set up a checkout validation rule in Block It to block specific customers on Shopify, helping protect your store from unwanted or risky orders.